Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to find Wise account number. So first up here, just need to open your Wise account on your Chrome browser. And then here on the side menu, you will find here all the options. So basically, all you need to do is click on this manage option here, and then you will find all the settings. Now here on this option, you just need to click on account details. And from here, you just need to choose this US dollar from here. And here, basically, you will find not only your account number, but you'll find your wire routing number and also your account number. So that's it. That's how you basically find your Wise account number. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.